Hello everyone, I am Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I share with you everything that I've learned over the years, from my experience and from anything that I know I share with you on this channel. So I hope you will love it and you're going to do the things that I show you how I do it, whether it's drawing or knitting or knotting. I am welcome to show you how I do it. So I have knitted 28 loops. So I've made 28 loops on the needles. The needles are size 4, and the first 4 loops we knit them with a front stitch to create this front stitch, this front beginning and the edge at the end, so it's more kind of organized, more pleasant to a finish garment. So that's how we begin this headband. Now, after we've knitted these with a front stitch, we also knit them with a front stitch at the back, so it remains with a front stitch on the back and on the front. And here we start learning this new pattern. So we count 1, 2 loops. After 2 loops we grab the yarn with the right needle, then yarn over the needle from behind, and then we take these 2 loops and knit them together. So we create from 2 loops 3 loops. Again, we count 2 loops. Behind the 2 loops we grab the yarn, then we rotate it and pick up the yarn over from behind, and then we knit these 2 loops together yet again. So we make from 2 loops 3 loops, and so on. It's very quick and easy to do, but bear in mind not to knit too tightly. Make sure you knit normally without being too tight or too loose. So hopefully it will turn out quite nicely when you do it. Tell me if you like the pattern. Tell me if you made one headband because of this pattern. You loved so much this pattern and you wanted to create something unique which is just on my channel. Then the last 4 loops we knit them with a front stitch on the back and on the front. Then this is the back. Again, the first 4 loops we knitted with a front stitch. So here is the group of 3. You see, 3, 3, 3. What we do, we knit the first 2 loops of these 3 loops together with a purl stitch, and on its own loop we knit it on together. We knit also as a purl stitch on its own, 2 loops as a purl stitch, 1 loop as a purl stitch, 2 loops, purl stitch, 1, and this is how we need first row and the second row of this pattern. So 2 together as a purl stitch and 1 on its own as a purl stitch, and we've got 4 end loops. We need them with a front stitch all the time, on the back and on the front with a front stitch, to create this wonderful contrasting edge. Now we see them again, we need them with a front stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do again 2, from 2 we make 3, and so on. This is all you need to know to be able to make a beautiful headband like this one. So good luck, and I'm going to do next video of how it actually turned out, this item. Hello again everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I show you everything that I'm capable of, everything that I've learned over the years of my life, and I'm glad I'm here to help you in learning new things if you didn't know, and just enjoying knitting and doing drawings with me. So welcome to my channel, and please explore and have a look at my other videos, please. So in this video we are talking about this beautiful headband. It has a very beautiful pattern here, which is easy to do and is fantastic, is stretchy. At the back I've done a careful job of stitching with this needle, and the hat itself, not the hat, the headband itself is very beautiful. I love it. I love the color, I love the texture, I love the design, I love the pattern. I've made another one in yellow like so. It's easy to make and it's fantastic to wear it and have joy wearing it, and having lots to do with summer. This pattern is good for summer time, summer evening times, with all sorts of things that you might be proud of wearing, and it's easy to do, as you can see from my tutorial. It's easy to do. The color is brilliant. It's acrylic yarn, it's stretchy, it's balanced, and I hope you like it yourself and are able to show me a couple of things that you may do from my channel. You're welcome to send it to me and for me to be glad that you are able to do my patterns and that you love my patterns. And please enjoy doing such a headband, and hopefully it will turn out as successful as mine, or even better. Why not? So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and I love you all. Please leave a comments below. What else would you like me to do in my channel, on my channel? And let's talk about things that we could do more on my channel. And please put likes. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.